Welcome back to Tech Learners in the ultimate Python programming course. Today we will learn program number 7 out of the 101 Python programs. It's a very simple program where we need to determine whether if a person is eligible to vote or not based on its age. So what we need to do is we need to accept the age from the user. We need to store it into one variable age, and then we'll be using if else conditional statements to check whether the person is eligible to vote or not. So let's see this program into VS Code. So we'll take the variable age and we'll ask the user using the input function to enter age. So we'll write, please enter your age. This has to be inside the double quotes, and this is the literal. So we'll just write the message, please enter your age. So the user will enter the age, but that will be in the character form. So we need to typecast that into integer. So just to typecast, we'll use int outside here. So this is typecasting the user input into integer. Now we need to use the if else construct. So we'll be using if, and inside the if we'll check whether age is greater than or equal to 18 or not. And do not forget to write this colon, and then we'll use a tab and we'll just write the message that you are eligible to vote. So this is the if part, and now we'll write the else part. In the else part, we'll simply write the colon, and then inside the block, we'll write the message that you are not eligible to vote. So you can see this is a very simple program. Here we have learned three basic concepts of Python: how to take input from the user, then how to typecast that user into integer, and then we will be using this. We have used this if and else conditional statement. So now let's execute this program and check for the output. So let's say if we are entering the age as 12, you can see it is giving us you are not eligible to vote. Let's check the other case. If we'll enter the age as 22, and you can see it is giving you are eligible to vote. So this was a very simple Python program to check whether a person is eligible to vote or not based on if and else conditional statement.